welcome back to Kirstie'sKarz. It's a beautiful Monday morning. I got out here super early. I'm hoping that I can beat the heat and keep my garage a little bit cooler for a little bit longer. I have a full day planned out here, so that is why I'm out here early. I am going to start by removing that other quarter panel on the driver's side. The car's kind of pushed up against the wall over there, so the camera angle might be a little iffy. So thanks for putting up with that. After that, I am going to remove both the Fender-wells, because I'm going to replace both of those. And I'm also going to take my air compressor and blow out all the crummies and stuff to actually see what I have to work with, so I can start making her even more dirty by sanding and grinding and doing body work and interior work. Everything is just going to be step by step, and I want to replace as much as possible now, like as I'm finding what's wrong with it. I don't want for me to have to replace those later down on the road when the build is complete. So what I am doing is completely tearing everything and deciding right now what I want to order and replace. Tons of big things coming up very soon, so stick in there with me. I know these videos are kind of tedious and small, but when the big stuff starts happening, I'm telling you guys, you're gonna want to be here because it is going to be a fun time. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do with it, and let's go. Alright, so just to kind of show you guys why exactly I'm choosing to replace the quarter panels, I just wanted to show you the actual start of what it looks like. I'm going to try and Bondo this one too, just because I want to get better at Bondo, and I have a canvas right here to try on, so why not? But show you the rust, kind of what I'm talking about here. I mean, that's kind of how the other one was, and I mean the rest of it looks pretty good, you know. It's just right there where the water kicks off. It's definitely pretty bad. Okay, so surprisingly, this side is going smooth, like way smoother than the other side went. Super cool. But on the other hand, one of the bolts in the Fender-well just stripped. So, this bad boy, the only one. Fun. Okay guys, this one is gonna be the real fun one. Oh, well hello there. Now let's see if we can get it out without stripping it. crazy is it's like, I love working on cars that most people would see as junk. You know, like my Subaru. Just kidding. I love that car. It's a good car, okay? It's reliable, it's kid-friendly, still goes fast. Hasn't broken down on me yet. Well, it has totally. Just kidding. I lied. Okay, so now that I have done this once before, I am officially an expert and cannot mess this up this time. I see all of the bolts that I missed last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is hidden up back here behind this guy. Let's go. As always, I find something cool. Sweet! Free socket. So I thought I was gonna take the easy route. Get the tool to get the broken bolt out. Easy. Did not turn out that way. It never does. Ever. Ever. What happened there was it snapped. Drilled the hole, turned it a little bit, it just snapped. So I just ripped it off. I was just over it. But look what I did find. Every time there's a hidden gem. Some good old Keystone. Whoo! Ugh. Don't drink that one. Man, oh man. It's pretty cool. Every time there's like a new treasure. It's a lot of stuff. Ooh. Literally, how fun though. I thought that was a spider. I almost freaked out there for a second. Ooh, second one down. Still gonna have to figure out how to get that out of there. We'll figure that out later. swear every time I get this close to completing something, something has to go wrong for me. But I'll figure this one out too. Check it out. So this one came out with the impact easy peasy. This one, the metal clip that's around it, that's supposed to stay there in place and hold it, has broken. So it's just spinning around. It's the same thing that happened over there in the Fender-well. Oh my goodness, I like working out here a lot more in the morning time. It's so hot. Probably does not help that I'm wearing freaking sweatpants, but hey, I like to be comfortable, what can I say? Woo! I'm just gonna keep it like that. That looks wicked. That's pretty cool though, eh? Look at that. On to the next mission. It's 10 o'clock at night. Let's do this. So I filled up the air compressor once and then realized, it's 10 o'clock. I probably shouldn't be filling this up. My neighbors are going to hate me. So I blew out what I could, and you know, I'll just have to pick up on the next video. I got one of the wheel wells taken out, got that other quarter panel off, and I'm exhausted. So much in one day. I mean, not just in the garage, but in the household, in the life, you know. Just gotta keep going. Gonna go get clean and go to bed and then wake up tomorrow and do it again, guys. Let's go.